Greetings, BENZTRAINZ from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is that Radio Shack 12 volt 1 amp transformer. This is what I use as a battery charger for charging the batteries, of course. And this is what I use for running the electric whistle. Anyway, I've got it plugged into the AC remote control and connected to track 4. So I now have remote control DC. As you see, so we can turn the speed up and down, all from the remote. As you see, or just stop it. So full control of the track 4 on DC using a remote. So this works, no doubt. As you see. And we'll stop it there. So, as you see, full control over the DC rail now by remote control. Now, I can't do it with this power supply. This is regulated. That's why if you set it 6.5 volts, it stays at 6.5 volts. It's regulated. This is just a transformer in a box. It's an AC transformer, 2 diodes and a couple of capacitors, probably. A simple AC to DC transformer. Anyway, by plugging it into the remote, I can control the DC output. So that's 1 amp, and that's plenty of power to run most any train. The 2025 only draws 0.9 amps. And as you see, this works. And you have full control of the DC voltage now. As you see, you can really slow this thing down. Speed it up, stop it. So, it works quite well. Let's bring this around, we'll stop it here. We'll slow it down. And off. So, as you see, we now have full control of the DC voltage by remote as well. Interesting experiment. So, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.